Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for clicking on my racing video. We are watching the first heat of the 4th round at Hunter Valley. I hope you all enjoy my racing video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. Bit of a miserable day of racing. It was mixed conditions and it was said that thunderstorms would arrive late afternoon. Well, they arrived mid-morning. Since I wasn't fighting for the championship and was only doing more racing in the tag open class, I knew straight off the bat that I wouldn't be using my wets and racing in the rain. I don't have enough money at the moment to buy new sets of wets and new sets of slicks. I am trying to get ready and set my 2023 gig up because it's going to be a big year for me. For this heat I went out on second-hand tyres. I believe they were roughly 80 to 120 laps old, and I do not believe a word when people say the tyres don't drop off. It's more your driving. I 100% agree that my driving needs improving, but not more than 1 second. So I don't believe people who say tyres don't drop off. In restricted class they drop off 0.2, 100% they drop off more in the open class. I'd say nearly half a second. So half a second is definitely tyres, the rest is definitely all me. Enjoy the race. Thank you for sticking around and watching the whole race. I struggled for grip a lot in this heat. I changed my car setup to give me a little more rear grip, but the rain bucketed down a few minutes after my heat, so I wasn't planning to go back out. The rain did drop off and the track did dry up real quick, but by the time I decided it was dry enough for slicks and got ready to head down to the grid, my class was already entering the track and I missed the race. My next race is the Hemnet up at Manning Valley, with already 26 drivers entered in my class, so it should be an amazing race. See you then. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you at the next race. Peace.